Yes, good morning. I'm going to visit Benji because now she's having her breakfast, and I want to ask something. Benji, can I have that chili a bit? Can I have? No. Can I have that? Can we share? Huh? Darling, can I have that just a bit? Do you like that spicy, right? Oh my god, yeah. That is the breakfast, see? Yeah. Ginny, how are you? Okay. So if that means yes, wait. Come on. Wait. Just a while, this one. Okay. Thank you. Benji. Okay. This for I wanna give to Ariel. Thank you. Bye. See, Benji, how are you? Good boy.